Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to discuss Unit 4, Part 4. And Unit 4 name is Understanding Customer and Consumer. In that, topic is Factor Influencing Buyer's Behavior. It is the most important question before the marketer is how to use consumers respond to various efforts. In purchasing various products and services, buyer or consumer are influenced by many factors like psychological factor, motivational factors, perceptions, personal factors, and occupational factors, economic factors, and cultural factors, social factors. These all are the factors that will convert the customer mood to buy the product, that will appreciate the customer to buy the product, how customer will be more satisfied and also be ready to buy the product, that depend upon the behavior of customer. So what are the factors? Now we will discuss in this part. The first factor is psychological factor. Psychological factor, these factors influence the behavior of customer in different way, from product to product and from time to time. Because the psychology of customer can be changed, they are motivational, perceptual factor, personal factor, occupational factor, economical factor, cultural and social factor. First one is motivational factor. What is motivation? Basically, motivation is the activation of goal oriented behavior. We have to achieve the goal. For that we have to motivate the customer. That is motivational factor. Motivation is the driving force within the individual, compel them to take action. Simply, this driving force is produced by state of tension which exists as the result of unfulfilled needs. What is motivation? Motivation is the action or energization of goal-oriented behavior. It provides awakening and creating desire to act. According to various theories developed by psychologists, motivation may be rooted in the basic need of minimum pain, like roti, kapda and makan, just for an example, as well as safety need, esteem need, maximum pleasure, like comforts and luxury lifestyle. It may also include specific need such as to purchase a particular house, hold items or any other desired object or goal. Basically, motivation is the factor that will help the human being to fulfill their needs as per living in the society or as per to fulfill their life requirements. Like in this example is given, at least the basic need of human being is roti, kapda and makan. For that fulfilling, they need to motivate to do work hard. They have to find out maximum pleasures like lifestyle also. So it may also be including specific need such as to purchase a particular house also. And everything is depend upon motivation when a buyer buying something. And next is perceptual factor. We often find two people with same level of motivation and in the same situation act in a different manner because of different perception. Perception is an individual process. Generally, it depends upon personal belief, their experience, their mood, and their expectation. For example, two customers A and B visit an electronic goods showroom for the purpose of purchasing a washing machine. A may come across ex-salesman who is keen and too fussy to sell the washing machine without understanding A's need. Whereas B may perceive the same salesman X being genuine and sincere and place order to purchase the washing machine. This shows difference in perception of salesman by the two customer. It means it depend upon the behavior, it depend upon the perception of customer, how A salesman deals with a customer. Some customer may be fussy customer, some customer may be very genuine and sincere customer that will take place the order on the same time for a particular product. Next is personal factor. Some personal situations are there like age factor, lifestyle factor, occupational, financial position and overall. These all are the part of personality. A buyer's decision is always influenced by personal characteristics. The products and services need always differ from different age. Marketers have found age as an important and useful demographic variable for distinguish segment. It means to differentiate the need, how much percentage of customer are of age 6 to 14, how much percentage of customer are 14 to 30, how much are more than 30 and how much are more than 50 years, because the demand for age factor will be changed. Each stage in the family life present unique need and wants. For example, builder constructs house specially keeping in mind the necessary facilities required for senior citizens. Many food items contains nutrition content more for the growing children. Similarly, types of clothes we wear are always age related. So, personal factors are related to their age, their lifestyle, their occupation, their financial position also. Someone can buy the high profile product, but someone is a poor person, he can't buy the similar category product. Next is occupational factor. Depend upon the occupation of person, how he is living in a society, or social factor. A personal occupation is an important social status indicator. What is the status level of particular person? Marketer always keep this factor while targeting market for the products and services. For example, the buying pattern of professionals like lawyer, doctor, a taxi driver, a medicine representative and a teacher will not be alike. Here the occupation is important characterization than income in segment from some market. Some department store only specialize in selling children wares and toys like dresses, footwear and so on. Next is economic factors or economic situation. It is also the important factor. Till the time person is not having good income, he can't spend money on a particular item. It is important factor which will also affect buyer's choice of products. Economic position of people do determine the market. It is therefore important for marketer to find out the spending pattern of people with different income groups. Like people with same income per month will spend their income in different way. For example, a school teacher earning 25,000 per month and a junior accountant working in a bank also getting same salary, but their income keeping in mind the social factor, values, emotion, lifestyle and need and attitude. It means even income level is same, but the product choice is different as per age factor, their lifestyle factor, their social factor or their emotional factors. Next is cultural factor. It is most basic and influencing cause of person wants and their behavior. We generally noted that the belief, value and customer has direct bearing on buyer's behavior belonging to the particular society. Culture factor depend upon the society level, which type of environment we are having. Culture factor exercise a key deep influence on consumer behavior or by his or culture background. Cultural values are always transmitted from one generation to the another generation. The behavior pattern of some buyer are depend upon like race, religion, nationality, low calorie food, fast food, health and fitness, language and urban rural identification. Marketing firms should know that cultural value also change slowly over time as well as fast on account of internal and external events such as technological advance, foreign influence, heavy expenditure on promotional campaign from competitor and war. So they have to take timely steps to recognize the cultural shift in order to meet the emerging demand of new product or service. I'll give you one example. Like if we discuss about 20 or 25 year back, the demand for fountain pen was much more in the market. But right now the demand for fountain pen is now changed. Now people are liking to prefer the ball pen either than ink pen or your fountain pen. So as per the market scenario, company also need to change their behavior and company also need to change in their production level also. That such type of factor is called cultural factor. Next is social factor, in which society we are living. It is positive or negative influencing. According to market guru Dr. Philip Kotler, a person reference group consists of all the groups that have a direct or indirect influence on the personal attitude or behavior. It is generally noticed that friends, family members, colleagues, and neighbor with whom person interact quite frequently on regular basis are such referenced group that influence the buyer behavior to a large extent. Suppose I want to buy a new car and my friend circle suggest me you wanna move to i20, you can take Hyundai i20 car. So I will like to prefer the product that is referred by my friend circle, that is referred by my society, or that is preferred by my near and dear person. So it directly affect on the social level. They create a certain pressure on them. We often notice that young boys and girls would like to emulate sport heroes and film actors. The influence of these persons may have a positive or negative influence that have on his or her value. For example, once upon a time, Bata shoes were popular brand among people of different income group. But over the year, the brand choice decision of some people has changed to the Liberty shoe, Nike, Adidas, Reebok, and so on. It means people are getting more alternates and they are switching from Bata to other company products. These days, advertiser plays a important role to influence all such section of society. Of course, parents can still significantly influence on the behavior of their children while they are taking buying decision. When children is suggesting I will like to take this thing, they are also influencing their behavior and they would like to take this product because right now they are most probably influenced by their family behavior, from their society behavior, from their personal factor, from their friend circle. All such things will change the behavior of person and these all are the part of their society. That's why these all are the under category of social factors. So in this section we have covered all the factors that will influence the choice of a particular customer or consumer. In next session we will meet with next part. If you are having any doubt, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number 999118890. I again repeat 999118890. Please put your query on that WhatsApp number. I'll definitely reply of your WhatsApp problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.